If you pick the creator combo of the DJI Pocket 4, this one comes with this little light. It can also be purchased separately from the link in the description. And this one is not powered by any battery or this kind of things. It is powered by the camera itself with the connection just right here. So you just snap it on here, and when you turn on the camera, well, you can now use the button on top to power on the light, choose the intensity, so the same press of a button does power it on, and change between the three intensities, low, medium, and high. The other one does change the color temperature. So we've got cold, neutral, and hot. Something like that. And you can also control it with the custom button right here. So as you can see here, if I press on hit, it does power on and off. You can use that button if you program it. So you hold the custom button, I put it into single press, and it's the very last option here, fill light. The other way to control it will be to scroll down and reach the light here, which is the third option. And from here you can turn it on and off. You can use the autofill light. I'm not sure how it works. From my experience, I just tested a couple of seconds and it just remained on all the time, even if I face my huge spotlight. So, yeah. And from here you can choose the light intensity and cool, natural, and warm. So this is 3 ways to control the light on the DJI Pocket 4. I hope this was helpful.